How to log in to your Chase Visa card online. Now in order to log into your Chase Visa card online, you just simply need to open any of your browser and after that search for Chase or Chase Visa. You can also search for Chase Bank Visa card, but that will be so long, you don't need to do that. And after searching for that, you will get to see the option of chase.com, which will be in the very first. Simply open that website, and after this you just simply need to tap into this sign in button in order to log into the account which is associated with your Chase Visa card. And it will take a little bit of time to process, then this page will appear in your screen. First of all, you need to enter your username in your account, and after that enter your password. After entering your username and password in this page, you can check save the account in your browser, and if you don't want to leave it as it was, then tap to sign in button. And after doing this very easy step, you can very easily be logged in to the Chase Visa card online. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.